Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to unsubscribe to a channel on YouTube. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser, and the next step ay login ka lang dito sa YouTube, and then kailangan mo lang mag-search ng YouTube channel or yung video yung gagamitin mo para man-subscribe. Okay, so makikita nyo dito na nakasubscribe tayo. Okay, so click lang natin yung profile. And then next step ay makikita mo dito yung subscribe. And then click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then makikita mo na dito mga kaibigan, iselect mo lang dito yung unsubscribe. So pwede mo rin itong i-personalize na, and then ito yung unsubscribe. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong unsubscribe from this channel. And then, i-click mo lang to unsubscribe. So, click mo lang yan. And then, makikita mo na dito mga kaibigan na subscriptions remove. So, hindi na mag-notify sa iyo ng any uploads sa isang channel kapag naka-unsubscribe ka na. Okay? So, ganun na po kasimple on how to unsubscribe to a channel on YouTube. And please, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.